Do you know many people are having trouble with recording audio from their Mackie Mix12FX mixer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect outputs. Connect the Mackie Mix12FX main outputs to your recording device using 1/4 inch TRS cables for a balanced signal. Step 2. Use tape outputs. Alternatively, connect the Tape Out RCA jacks to your recording device for an unbalanced signal. Step 3. Adjust levels. Power on your mixer and adjust each channel's input levels to unity gain for optimal audio quality. Step 4. Set mix level. Set the main mix fader to control the recording level sent to your device. Ensure it peaks within a safe range. Step 5. Adjust EQ. Optionally, use channel EQ controls to adjust the sound before sending it out for recording. With these steps, you should be recording audio perfectly from your Mackie Mix12FX mixer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Mackie users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.